Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech 36. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in OC Codes Lawyer. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in OC Codes Lawyer. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this link. Here you have two options, sign in and create an account. If you don't have an account, you can click on create an account and create a new account. Now to sign in, click on sign in. Now you'll need your email address and your password to sign in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in OC Codes Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.